Every year, millions of people have their identities stolen. Someone opens a credit card or a loan in your name, or files a tax return to grab your refund. And you often do not find out until the damage is done. Here's the frustrating part. For stopping someone from opening new credit in your name, one of the strongest protections is completely free. Federal law gives it to you, and most people never turn it on. Some even pay every month for a weaker paid version, when the free one is at least as strong. Today, we fix that. We're going to lock down your credit, protect your kids, and turn on the free federal tools most people never hear about. And we will be honest about the one thing a freeze cannot do. You do not have to wait for a data breach or a scare to protect yourself. Anyone can do this, anytime. Back in 2018, a federal law made one powerful protection free for everyone. It is called a credit freeze. When your credit is frozen, a lender cannot pull your file, so they cannot approve new credit in your name. That is the whole idea. For most new credit scams, the thief hits a wall. But here is the honest part, and it is worth knowing up front. A freeze stops new accounts. It does not stop someone who has already gotten into an account you already own. And by itself, it does not cover things like tax fraud. So think of a freeze as your strongest first layer, not your only one. We will add the other layers too. Before we start, let us clear up 4 things that sound the same and are not. A credit freeze is free, and it blocks most lenders from accessing your credit file to open new credit in your name. A fraud alert is also free, and it tells lenders to take extra steps to confirm it is really you. And here's a nice bonus. A fraud alert only takes one bureau. That bureau has to notify the other 2. A credit lock is a paid product the bureaus sell, often for a monthly fee. The government's own consumer bureau says a lock is no more effective than the free freeze. And credit monitoring only watches and alerts you after something changes. It does not block anything. To stop new account fraud before it starts, the freeze is the tool. Here is exactly what to do. First, freeze your credit at all 3 bureaus. Those are Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. A freeze does not spread from one to the others, so you have to do all 3 separately. Online is fastest, just a few minutes at each one. You will set up a login at each bureau, so save your login and recovery details because you will need them to lift the freeze later. Second, protect your kids. For a child under 16, you can set up a free protected consumer freeze. This one takes a little more work. You mail each bureau proof of your identity and your child's, like a birth certificate and social security card. It is worth it because child identity theft can hide for years until they apply for their first loan or apartment. Third, turn on the free federal tools. Go to annualcreditreport.com, the only site federally authorized for free reports. There you can now check all 3 bureaus free every week. Then cut down on pre-screened credit offers and the sensitive mail thieves love to steal. You can opt out at optoutprescreen.com or by calling 1-888-567-8688 and ask the Internal Revenue Service for an identity protection PIN. It is a 6-digit code that protects your tax return. Once you have one, a thief cannot file under your social security number without it. An electronic return filed without the correct PIN is rejected. Anyone with a social security number can get one. And if it has already happened to you, act fast and in order. First, call the companies where the fraud happened and shut it down. Then freeze your credit and place a fraud alert. Then go to identitytheft.gov, the Federal Trade Commission's official recovery site. It builds you a personal recovery plan, plus the official report you will need to clear the fraud off your file. Now the best part. All of this is free. There is no monthly fee anywhere in it. The adult freezes take just a few minutes each, and a freeze is not a permanent lockout. When you apply for new credit, like a loan or a credit card, you simply thaw the bureau the lender uses. Then you freeze it right back. By law, an online thaw is processed within 1 hour. One tip, some landlords and some utilities also run a credit check. So just ask and thaw only if they need it. A few mistakes trip people up. Freezing only one bureau and leaving the other 2 wide open. Paying every month for a credit lock when the free freeze does the same job. Forgetting the kids. Ignoring your free weekly report, which is exactly how you catch a problem early. And forgetting to thaw the right bureau before you apply, which can delay or stop your application. Here is the honest goal. No single tool makes identity theft impossible, but you can shut the biggest doors for free today. Freeze all 3 bureaus, protect your kids, get an identity protection PIN, check your reports, and keep an eye on the accounts you already have. We've put together a free step-by-step guide with every website, phone number, and form you need. Plus a couple of advanced freezes most people never hear about, all in one place. You can download it at govclarity.net, completely free, no email required. The link is also in the description below. Take a little time today. Future you will thank you.
Thank you for watching GovClarity. Remember, you can find our complete guide and all official links in the More section. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Remember to hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos. We're here to make government procedures easier for you every step of the way.